is from Unice Hair. Today we are going to be installing a Ready Go wig. They call it their Wear Go wig. It is a 6 by 4.5 inch lace closure. It is in 20 inches. It is curly and we're about to see how it looks straight out of the box. So you get a bag full of goodies. There's lashes in here, a little makeup brush, a band to lay down your baby hairs. Ooh, a mirror. I need this. Thank you. And then also, this is called a seam reaper. This is how it looks. This is just so if you want to remove the combs, you're not going to make any damage into the wig itself. And then I'll show y'all how I use it. Alright, so I'm going to just show y'all right away. This is how it looks straight out of the box. The lace is pre-cut, the knots are bleached, and the hairline is pre-plugged. Look at that. This is how the inside is looking. I see that there is a breathable cap. So you're able to scratch them braids, girl, if they get itchy. I see a total of 3 combs. There are 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom. And then it also has some grip right here. There are no adjustable straps, but this is like a rubber so it can like stick to your head. And then there is an elastic band that is adjustable, so you can wear this glueless. So that's always good. And then the hairline, look at that. I already got some baby hairs. I'm gonna be switching up the baby hairs though. I just gotta see how it looks on my head first. Oh, the hair is really soft, flowy. So they did mention that they're gonna give me a seam reaper. So I'm gonna remove the 2 combs on the side and I'll show you guys how I do it with their seam reaper. This is my first time using anything like this, so I guess I just have to, hope I'm doing it right. Okay. This is just so there's no damage to the wig itself. Hopefully it worked, if I did it right. Oh, well, there it goes. Okay, I wish there was adjustable straps. So this is how she looks on my head. The lace is light, so I am gonna put some makeup on it. I'm gonna fix these baby hairs. I'm not a fan of where they're at. So I adjusted the elastic band. So it is snug on my head. It's just the lace is lifted right here. If y'all can see, let me see if I bring it back some. But that grip, it's really good. Yeah, it's not going nowhere. But I don't know if my head is just too small because the lace is still lifted. So I am going to have to lay her down with something. But this hair is cute, girl. It's soft. It's... Let me go ahead and show y'all the parting space. You can do a side part. The tracks start about right here. It's a 6 by 4.5. This is where 20 inches sits on me. I'm 5 foot. I will say it is snug on my head though. It is really snug. Like, it's not going anywhere. I just wish the lace could lay on me. Like, you know. I'm thinking because my head's so small. So if you have a medium-sized head or just a larger head, it'll sit on your forehead perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and install her with some gel glue. I'll show y'all in a bit. And yeah, just stay tuned. And I'll share my final thoughts on this wig.
go.
Okay, y'all, let's get into this hair. This wig is from Unice Hair. This is their 20-inch pre-cut lace wig. They call it the Wear Go wig. It's ready to go. So you can wear this wig glueless, but I unfortunately could not because my head was so small. So I did have to lay it down with some glue. Having the lace pre-cut saved me so much time, you guys. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed with pre-cut lace. Like, when it's already ready to go, just gotta slap it on. And they had the baby hairs ready. I just had to cut them up a little bit. They were just a little too long for me. I just didn't like, yeah, they were just too long. I did end up putting some foundation in the inside of my lace because I wanted it to melt perfectly. And I did add some foundation on my part here. But that's literally all I did, you guys. Like, that's it. And it's ready to go. I sprayed a little bit of conditioner and water mix in it. And it's just, that's it. I'm in love with this hair. This is so cute. I can't stop looking at myself. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the information will be down below. So make sure to check that description box. I'll put the direct link, any discount codes available, and then my social media information will be down there as well if y'all want to check me out. And of course, all the information for Unice Hair will be included as well. All the products that I used, which is not much, but I'll link them down below as well for you guys. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.